In this video I want to show you how to register, log on and use the tutor-web system for studying anything you like, but I'll give you an example of cryptocurrencies. Now the simplest way to do this is to go to the tutor-web at tutor-web.net, or which is better, beta.tutor-web.net, and log in either using an existing login name that you have or simply using the guest login. Now if you want to earn your own smileys, you may not want to use the guest login but your own. And again, you may not want to use your school username and login, so you may want to set up a new email account, and let me show you how to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a new username here, and I'm going to call it a silly bugger, and for a password we're going to use something slightly different. So let's, instead of registering, instead of logging in, let's register, and we want to set up an email here, and the email will be sillybugger2018. It needs to be slightly more complicated, and this is going to be at gmx.com, where we'll set up this email as well, and the password needs to be slightly more complicated, so let's put an exclamation mark in here. I'm going to copy this, set it as our password and as a confirmed password, and then insert here 2018 at gmx.com. Okay, you got this? Sillybugger 2018 at gmx.com, sillybugger 2018 exclamation mark. And now we're going to submit this, but before we submit it, we need to sign up for an email account. So go to gmx.com, and our first name is Silly. Our second name is Bugger, and we can be male or female or whatever we like. We can be born in January. We need to pick some random numbers here, and let's make ourselves old enough to be, legally allowed to use all of these things. And here we want to say Silly Bugger 2018 exclamation mark as before. So put in the exclamation mark, and retype the password, make sure we have the exclamation mark. Contact email, no contact email. We need a security question. So what city were we born in? Let's say we were born in Peking, and we're definitely not robots. Okay, accept, create my account. Now, we create an account, and let's have Vivaldi save this thing because we might easily forget, or whatever browser you're using. And we finish registration here. Now, check your email. We're also going to ask, so let's continue to our inbox in GMX, and we should have an email from tutor-web. Let's see now, email, GMX, please activate your account, and now we have activated our tutor-web account. And the browser thinks it knows our username, so let's try this. We accept our terms. We are now logged in as Sillybuggers, and we have access to several tutorials which we can now subscribe to. So let's subscribe to the computer science tutorial, the Smileycoin cryptocurrency. So this would be the tutorial right here. Let's subscribe to this guy. Now we're all set. We registered to a Smileycoin cryptocurrency, and what we can do here is we can, for example, we can pick up the PDF file, which gives you all the contents of this course. Now this, as we speak, this is under development, so you will find a lot of blanks in here, but that's fine. So now you know how to log in, and if you follow the remaining videos for this course, you will see how you can submit examples, and how you can submit all sorts of other things, and you can earn smiley coins for performing reasonably well as you submit examples, take drills, and so forth.